the Liu Shishi and Nikki Wu. The pair starred in the 2011 drama Scarlet Heart and are well known for their incredible chemistry. They went on to star in the sequel Scarlet Heart 2 and in the historical drama Incisive Great Teacher. Seeing how the two filmed the dramas back to back, many fans hope they will fall in love in the real life as well. And in November 2013, the Nikki Wu finally admitted to being in a relationship with the Liu Shishi. In a Weibo post after he was spotted spending 8 hours at the Liu Shishi's apartment in Shanghai. And in 2015, the couple surprised everyone by announcing they were married and now they are living their life happily. The next couple is Lu Han and Wang Zhong-tong. They met first time while shooting the sport romance drama Sweet Combat. And before the drama had aired in 2018, the Lu Han dropped the bombshell announcement on October 8, 2017 through Weibo announcing that the both are very madly in love with each other and they are dating to each other for the real in the real life. This was one of the most sweetest and the cutest announcement and the fans were praising their relationship because they love their chemistry before the drama and now they are going strong along with each other. The next couple on the list is Zhou Yu and the Feng Xiongfeng. This duo has been more on the hush-hush side compared to the other couples. The Zhou Ying and the Feng Xiongfeng first sparked dating rumors in 2017 after they worked together in the fantasy film The Monkey King Season 3. The duo was photographed on several occasions going on dates and wearing the matching couple's outfits and everything. They also starred in the historical drama The Story of Ming Lan, which aired at the end of 2018. And in October 16, 2018, the Zhou Ying officially announced her marriage to the Feng Xiaofeng on Weibo, which was also the birthday of the Zhou Ying, and they got married on her birthday and they are completely in love with each other. The next couple are the Wu Quan and the Zhang Yuyan. Both stars are managed by the Hua's Film and TV, and the two worked together in a 2018 historical fantasy drama An Oriental Odyssey, as well as in the 2019 drama Li Copo de Fodre. In March, the paparazzi released the photos and the videos of Wu Quan out with a baby girl, leading to the speculation that the Zhang Yuyan is the father of the baby. Later on, he also officially addresses the rumor in a Weibo post, confirming that he is married to the Wu Quan and that they have a child together. The next two couples are the Michelle Chen and Chen Zhao. They fell in love while filming the 2014 drama adaptation of The Romance of the Condor Heroes. Their relationship moved at a lightning speed as the couple only dated for 8 months before Chen Zhao proposed to Michelle while on occasion in Paris, France. On July 5, 2016, which also happened to the Chen Zhao's 29th birthday, the couple announced they officially registered their marriage and now they are also going strong with each other and happily living their married life and also going well in their respective careers. On number 1 couple, we have one of the strongest couple is Wallace Heo and the Ruby. The two met first time on the set of the 2006 romance drama Sound of Colors and became best friends with their friendship lasting over 10 years. The two worked together again in a 2011 historical drama The Glamorous Imperial Concubine. And on May 20, 2016, the two shocked fans when they publicly acknowledged their relationship and then they got married in Bali. Wallace Heo admitted during one interview that he had developed a huge crush on Ruby back in 2005 after they worked together in the Sound of Colors drama. The two have been happily married for each other over 3 years and now they are also going strong and giving the real couple goals for everyone. And our number 1 couple is a Dailan Wang and a Shen Yu. They both met first time to each other when they was a co-star in the Meteor Garden drama, which was really the hit drama. The drama was one of the best drama in Chinese and gained many popularity. Also, they kiss each other in the drama, which is normal for everyone. But after they both accepted in an interview that they had the first kiss of their life on screen with each other, and fans got overexcited. And then there were many moments got viral which was off screen, how they are comfortable with each other and how they are always close to each other. They even spend more time off screen only with each other. And last year it was the report that they have decided to make their relationship public. But till now there is no such news. So we are hoping to get some good news at the end of this year for this lovely and the most popular couple.